Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I will show you how do you stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. So this is going to be easy, so let's start. Now first, let's go ahead and open Facebook. Now tap on the three bars on the top, tap on settings, and tap on see more in Action Center. Now from here, tap on profiles, tap on your profile, and tap on profile picture. So here all you have to do is turn off the toggle that says sync profile picture and tap on confirm. Now your profile picture is not synced between Facebook and Instagram. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for your time and I will see you next time.